In this video, we'll walk through how to configure an external email rule in Exchange Admin Center to flag or protect against outside messages. As you see, we already are logged in Exchange Admin Center on admin.cloud.microsoft. For this, we're going to need to go to Mailflow, Rules. We're going to select and we're going to click Create a new rule. This is going to create our external email rule. We clicked Add a rule. We're going to give it a name external, for example, external emails. We're going to select Apply this rule if apply if the sender is located outside this external outside of the organization. We're going to click Save. We're going to do the following. We're going to apply a disclaimer to the message. And we're going to prepend the disclaimer. We're going to select the text. What I will enter over here, I will have it in the description tab so you can just copy and paste it for you. Yep. And we're going to just drop and we're going to click next. We're going to enforce it right away. And we can click next and we'll finish. While this is still working, as you see, we created the rule is disabled. We're gonna enable it. We're gonna click on it. We're gonna enable. Um, we also not only add the disclaimer, we can add, we can prepend the subject line with an external email. So we're gonna select here as well, prepend such with specific, and we're gonna just type external. We're gonna click save. This we're gonna have the title external and the title after that. For example, external, I sent you a report. And we're gonna click save. This may take a while. Um, we'll log in our email. And let's send an email, an external email, and see what happens. Well, compose email. External rule test And we are checking. May take a minute. Didn't receive, but it is done. Did it send? Let's check. Yep, just may require a minute. Okay, well, this it's still propagating. We can do a message trace and see if we received any. Not yet. Oh, sorry. It just went to the personal. And as you see, we have external, which we did prepend. I can show you what we did over here one more time. This is when we prepended the subject with external. That is what we got over here, external. And this is where we added an external email. And how I said right over here, this one will gonna be in the description. And with all of this is that's it. We created an external email rule in Exchange Admin Center. This will gonna help user identify outside messages and reduce phishing risks.